Welcome back to another video from Horizon Construction, guys. Today we are in beautiful Dana Point, California, another beach city in Southern California. I'm gonna take you guys inside here. I'm on Santiago Drive in Dana Point. I'm gonna show you guys the project that we're working on here. This is interior kitchen, existing dining area, and den or slash office. It's about 445 square feet of remodel. Slight floor plan changes. We've removed a non-load bearing wall. And as you can see from the open floor plan, here it's nice and bright and spacious. I'm gonna take a step back and show you guys the full view of the room and then give you a closer look of the kitchen upgrade. It's gonna be the dining area, the kitchen, and the den or office. And the gentleman here, he's upgrading the electrical work. Here we are. We're gonna move into the office area or den. And there you guys have it, okay? Dana Point, California. Existing kitchen remodel, den and dining area. Thank you for watching our videos, guys. We'll see you in the next one.